Hello everybody, it's Nate the Great, and we are on the new map. Let's get into it. Alright guys, are you ready for this? Alright, so there is only small games on this map. So we just gotta look for some small stuff. We also got a few locations unlocked. Yeah. I would recommend the 22, steel board shot, and 22 you could call muscle tip bullets. For this map, that's pretty good. Biggest thing that there is on this map is foxes. So lots of birds, some rabbits, pretty good amount of fox. It's like a fun little map. It's not actually a very little map. It's actually pretty big. It's actually not too big though. I can walk a quarter of it in like 10 minutes. So it's not humongous, but it's good. It's working properly. Don't hit you on your game, guys. So, why don't you take that shot? Y'all gonna take that. Oh. Lots of little things. Hold up. You are the biggest. Dude, I just took out like 5 birds. That was insane, dude. 22s are the best for that type of thing. I don't know if you've ever shot a bird with a 22 in real life, but man, it is an awesome feeling. And there's raccoons. So we're gonna shoot him right now. I don't think I hit it, but we'll find out in a bit. Okay, well, we got a few stuff here. Okay, let's start with you. I grounded you. 800 bucks, like, I also grounded you right in the skull. Man, did I not get more than 2 birds? Oh yeah, here. Wait, really just, like, I hit it in the foot and it died that quick. Like, that is depressing. This is the one which I'm curious about because it's probably a big one. Guys, I just got a diamond. Guys, it was just a diamond too. Guys, I got a diamond black crab. Wow. Man, cash should do me that thing, dude. What? Black grouse, level 2. There's my dinner. We're gonna try to get to 50. Blast it with you. Okay, whatever, I got this black ghost. Dude, did I not hit it 2 times? Why did they just sit there? Like, is this gun like so suppressed? Effective range 100, yeah. 150, 25. Dude, it's not effective only at 25, that could. This gun's like a boat killer, I don't know, this thing is pretty awesome. Gold? Man, what? What was like, that's a nice one. Nice, dude. Alright, let's get this thing. Other one can go right here and we'll just go like that. Cool, guys. There's a diamond. That's all for today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.